Hi everyone, welcome back to Alcotube. Let's talk about labels. Why should you use label? What label should contain? And let me answer the question, are they actually important? On the second part of the video, I will show you examples how to make them. Identification. First things first, let's talk about identification. Those labels aren't just for decoration, they are your ticket to knowing exactly what is inside the bottle. Whenever it's a mouth-watering cherry Nalewka or a soothing herbal infusion, the label tells you all you need to know about the ingredients. And trust me, if you have any allergies or dietary restriction, this information is absolutely crucial. Second, power. It is not just about knowing what is inside your drink, it is also about staying safe. Labels often include important details like alcohol content and responsible drinking warnings. Remember, Nalewki can pack quite a punch, so knowing your limit is a key to enjoying them responsibly. Third one, tradition. Labels aren't just about rules and regulation, they are also about tradition and heritage. Many families have their own cherished recipes for Nalewki passed down through generations. And you guessed it, those labels often contain notes to the rich history and cultural significance. It's like taking a sip of history with every drop. Number 4. Brand recognition. For commercial Nalewka producers, labels are essential for brand recognition and marketing. A well-designed label can help distinguish one brand from another. Number 5, and this one I like the most. It took you a lot of time to do Nalewka. Humans like to eat with their eyes. I'm sure you know this phrase. Same things apply to Nalewka. The way how a bottle of Nalewka looks like really matters in degustation. You already spent your personal time to make a good Nalewka. Do not skip the last step and make it pretty. Clean bottle, nice looking label. People who are enjoying your Nalewka will appreciate nice looking bottle and label. Labels can also start an interesting conversation about age, power, ingredients or others. So there you have it, our humble labels, often overlooked but also important for our beloved Nalewki. So next time you indulge in a glass homemade Nalewka, take a moment and appreciate the label. It's more than just an ink on paper. It's a window into a world of flavor, tradition and heritage. Cheers!
Okay, now second part. I will try to show you how to create such label. I will show you two methods how I create my labels. First one is by using Corel Draw. What you can see on the screen is a page that is divided to 4 small frames. When I divide page for 4, it's a good size of label for me and also it's easier to print. The whole process starts when I import a background picture. After the import, I'm trying to resize the picture to the size of the frame. To do that, in the beginning, I'm just eyeballing the size of the frame and trying to minimize. Afterwards, I'm putting the frame behind the picture and then crop it to the size of the frame. Next, I will put picture inside the frame. To do that, I'm using a shortcut E and C to center the picture inside the frame. Now the content, the title, description, brand logo, power level, all the information you want to put in the label. Let me zoom up a bit to show you better the next steps. You can use different fonts, different colors. This time I used a colorful one for the title and a different font for a description. Logo is my standard here. I'm trying to put title and descriptions in the places that are working with the background. Usually my brand logo is going on the bottom right corner. Next step is to put the power level and also the date when I start the process. Okay, I think this black font on the description does not work. Let me check the white color. Also not that good, but for this purpose, let's leave it like that. Okay, that's it. A very simple way how you can create a label in Corel. There are, of course, many different ways. I have used that method for many years, but later on, I move out to the second method. For some time now, you have been able to see my new labels on the channel. These beautiful creations are the work of my brother. He is a computer graphic designer. So basically what I'm saying is if you want to go extra mile and you don't have the skills to do it yourself, you can always ask professionals. As you can see, those labels are hand-drawn. He is using software Procreate. You can check his work on Instagram profile Designofpj. Link in description. I invite you now for a short clip how those labels are made. Thank you for watching and see you next time.